Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It should be noted that oil catch cans are only really necessary for direct injection engines. Unlike other engines, direct injection engines do not have fuel regularly cleaning the valves and are therefore more likely to experience the formation of carbon deposits. 19 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A catch can is recommended if you aren't proactive in decarbonizing your engine and maintaining clean piston rings, as it will help prevent some problems. If you decide that a catch can is good insurance, and worth the expense, definitely buy only a quality 1.1. May 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.